Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. For those who don't know my origins, I'm from Quebec, which is the birthplace of a popular world-famous dish, La Poutine. You know that plate of French fries topped with curd cheese and a rich hot gravy? Beside my poutine with bacon gravy and my Cajun poutine, here's another incredible one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Eggs Benny Poutine. If you want an original dish, this is the one. Bringing classic Eggs Benedict and poutine together, we end up with a delicious combination. It's a flavorful twist on these two, and I'm sure you'll love it. So my friends, let's get cooking.
We'll go ahead and start prepping the ham. This is what I use. A nice smoked ham already pre-cooked. So what we'll do is to slice it about half an inch thick and then slice it again in strips before cutting it into cubes. You can cut it smaller if you want, but I think half an inch is a good size. Alright, let's move on to the stove. Here's my homemade hollandaise sauce that you can get by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. And we'll keep it warm while we look after the other ingredients. And yes, I know, my arm was in the way. Sorry about that. This is our water with some white vinegar that we'll bring to a boil, just like I showed you when I make my Eggs Benedict. And the link is on the top right corner of your screen. Next, in a medium skillet over medium heat, we'll add a couple tablespoons of butter, and when it's melted, we'll add white onions and red peppers. We'll saute the vegetables for about 2 minutes before adding our cubed ham. Although it's already pre-cooked, we'll saute it to warm it up, about 2 minutes as well. Now, you know me with my freshly ground black pepper, so we'll add some, not a lot though. You don't have to, but should you? Yes, and of course, we'll stir it with the mixture. Because everything has to be ready at the same time, we'll turn off the heat and keep it on the burner while looking after the eggs. Next, when they are almost done, we'll start plating by spooning half of the ham mixture onto some French fries. To make them from scratch, you know what to do. Then we'll add the curd cheese, followed by a couple soft boiled eggs. Look at this. And last but not least, the hollandaise sauce. Oh yeah. To garnish, we'll sprinkle on some smoked paprika as it gives a nice touch to the dish, as well as fresh chopped chives. Mesdames, Messieurs, breakfast is served. And my friends, this is our Eggs Benny Poutine. If you're thinking of serving an original food item for your next brunch, don't look any further. The combination is perfect and a delicious way to enjoy both Eggs Benedict and poutine together. This is definitely a must try. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!